In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to recover WhatsApp View Once photos or videos. Let's get started. First, launch your WhatsApp. Now navigate to the settings page. Once you're over here, navigate to the option Storage and Data, then click on the option Manage Storage. You'll be directed to this page. Under Storage Details, you're going to find the list of the contacts that are added in your WhatsApp. Click on the contact for which you want to recover WhatsApp View Once photo. You'll be directed to this page. Here you're going to find all the medias that you have shared. In this list, you might also find View Once photo. Next, for the Android devices, you can check notification history. Go to Settings, then Notifications, then click on Notification History and check if a preview of that media is still stored. Likewise, check linked devices. If your WhatsApp account is linked to WhatsApp web or desktop, the media may remain visible on your computer even after disappearing on a phone. Remember, WhatsApp's View Once is designed for privacy, so there is no 100% guaranteed recovery. These methods may or may not work depending on your device and settings. And that's how you can try recovering WhatsApp View Once photos or videos. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.